At the amusement park, everyone is happily playing together. There is a little ankylosaurus building its own sandcastle. Just put the flag on and the sandcastle will be complete.
See!
Unfortunately, a ball from the nearby soccer field suddenly flew into the sandcastle, causing it to collapse.
Oh no!
I'm sorry.
The tractor came up with the idea of building him another sandcastle to make up for it. He quickly took out a blueprint and drew the design for the sandcastle.
Okay.
Okay.
Everyone quickly headed to the beach to collect sand for construction.
I'm gonna go first. Okay, okay.
Okay!
Upon returning, the construction work began. First, they assembled the castle's frame.
Let's go! Let's go!
Then they mixed the sand with water to create wet sand for easier castle building. The wet sand is ready. Now let's build the sandcastle. Bucket by bucket, the excavator scooped up sand and built different parts of the castle. The castle is finished. Now all that's left is to place the flag on top.
Let's go. Aha!
That's it. Great job, everyone. A dry forest near the city. Excavator passes by and looks around.
Huh?
Withered trees and cracked soil. The excavator looks up at the sky. Dark clouds. Yeah, the rain is coming. Excavator looks around nervous. It quickly searches for shelter. It hides under a big tree. Excavator curls up and falls asleep. Suddenly, lightning strikes a dry branch above him. The branch bursts into flames. Fire spreads fast. Excavator looks at the sky. It runs away from the burning tree. The rain stops, and the sky gets dry again. Excavator pulls out its phone and calls for help. The fire station answers and nods right away. From above, the fire truck, dump truck, and a helicopter arrive. Excavator points toward toward the raging
Let's
fire.
do it.
Okay, I will do it.
The two fire trucks pull out their hoses. Water blasts out of the nozzle. The helicopter drops water from above. The fire goes out completely. Excavator breathes a sigh
Good
of relief.
job.
The vehicles cheer and clap together. Fire truck nods and drives away.
You.
The helicopter lifts off and exits. Excavator tanks, dump truck, and clamshell.
Okay.
They move into the burned forest.
No!
The trees are scorched and leafless. Clamshell drops its claw onto a burnt tree. It wiggles and pulls the tree out. It turns and drops the trunk into dump truck's bed. It grabs more charred branches from the ground. Dump truck's bed fills up with burnt trees. Clamshell
Let's go.
and dump truck. High five. Excavator rolls up to a clear patch of land.
Good job.
It lowers its bucket and digs a deep hole. Excavator digs several more holes. Excavator digs several more holes. It makes 5 to 6 small plantings. It nods in satisfaction.
Come on!
Excavator waves to dump truck and clamshell.
Hello.
Dump truck
Come on,
arrives
step
with
it
young
up.
trees in its bed. Clamshell picks up each sapling and drops it into a hole. Excavator scoops and fills soil around the trunks. They work in perfect rhythm. Every pit gets a tree. Slowly, the trees grow tall and green. Green trees cover the once burnt land. Excavator, dump truck, and clamshell clap with joy. The entire forest is reborn. Green trees cover the once burnt land. Mission accomplished. It's a busy morning in the city. Excavator and dump truck are delivering vegetables. Red is hopping into his house, waiting for his delivery. Dump truck stops right at the doorstep. ... Excavator smiles and pats dump truck. He points to Red's red eye.
Okay.
Excavator smoothly turns his body. The bucket lifts a box of fresh fruits. He gently places it in front of Red's house. Red beans
Okay.
and eggs. Ting, ting.
Thank you.
Excavator and dump truck nod happily. Excavator pulls out his phone.
To reach the next
The map
delivery
appears.
location,
More
we have
deliveries
to
ahead.
cross a bridge.
Dump truck sees it and nods. Off they go again. The lively streets pass as they drive
夜
ahead.
は愛情美味しくてリアルでいっぱい
Up ahead
美味
is
し
an
く
old bridge. Crack! The bridge makes
no.
a faint cracking sound. But they don't notice. Excavator glances down at the bridge floor.
Let's go!
Excavator
Let's
grabs
go!
up to it. He speeds across the bridge. Reaching the other side, he turns and shouts.
I'm
Dump truck is just about to speed up. The cracked burst shows the bridge collapses. Dump truck drops straight into the river. Excavator anxiously
Let's
grabs
go.
his phone.
Okay, I'm coming.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Excavator turns back.
Help
Shocked.
me.
Dump
Help
truck
me.
calling for help.
No!
Hello.
Crane truck and mixer truck appear right away.
Let's do it.
Excavator points to the river. He lowers the hook, grabs dump truck, carefully lifts him up, and sets dump truck safely on shore.
Huh? Thank you very
Dump truck
much.
bounces with joy. The team gathers to cross the bridge.
Okay, okay.
All the vehicles nod in agreement.
Let's go!
Dump truck brings materials to the riverbank.
Great.
Excavator checks the blueprint. He
Come
looks at the
on,
drawing.
step it up!
Then at the river, excavator makes strong foundation frames. Next come the steel bar. Excavator backs up and calls mixer. He loads cement and sand into his drum. He tilts the drum. Concrete flows into the mold. The concrete spreads evenly.
Good job.
Every frame.
Let's go.
Excavator backs up and calls mixer. Mixer truck nods and moves in. He loads cement and sand into his drum. Vroom, vroom. The drum spins back. He backs in and pours the concrete. The concrete spreads smoothly. Steel guardrails are set up on both sides. Each piece is secured tightly onto the bridge frame. Blink. The new bridge is ready. Dump truck and excavator continue their delivery. This time, they cross the strong new bridge. Rain pours down under a pitch black sky. A wooden bridge spans the frame, shaking in the wind.
NANI?
The bear and the excavator race to the bridgehead, headlights cutting through the rain. Bear looks toward the bridge in the middle of the river as the bridge shakes violently.
Let's go! Let's go!
When it rains, be careful with unexpected elements like falling trees, lightning, or storms. If you feel danger, quickly run to find rescue.
The sky clears and sunshine breaks through as Bear, the excavator, and the dump truck move into the forest. Bear stands thoughtfully and pulls a tree scanning device out of his pocket.
Yeah, boy.
The device is pressed against tree. No. 1. The screen displays a large fail, and the warning light turns red. The excavator moves toward the tall tree and looks up with a wow.
I'm the strongest truck on the lot. Let's get to work. This glowing gadget, we can fix the utility vehicle in no time. It makes the job super easy.
Bear approaches a new tree and carefully positions the scanner. The screen lights up, clearly displaying a green. Okay. Bear grips the saw blade as it bites deep into the ground. Wood chips fly in all directions. All three load the dump truck full of wood and move back toward the riverbank. The sky is gloomy, strong winds blow, and Bear jumps down from the vehicle to observe the river's edge.
Hey team, let's get rolling. Big Yellow, that ditch looks great. And Rumbler, we need that dirt move pronto. Let's hit it hard today.
Bear backs the vehicle up and tilts the truck, letting the pile of logs slide down from the back. Bear steps forward and fits the wooden beams together, completing a temporary bridge. The wooden beams can't withstand the heavy load and break apart once again. Bear, sad and disappointed, collapses to the ground. The dump truck and crane truck arrive, carrying materials. The dump truck backs up and tilts its bed. The materials slowly slide down. The clamshell lowers its hook, attaches it to the bridge beam, and lowers it down into the river. Next, the bridge deck and the guardrails are lowered into place one by one, and the new bridge takes shape.
Counter any difficulty, remember your friends. When everyone works together, anything can be accomplished.
In a peaceful countryside, there was an excavator guy, just chilling and enjoying life.
Huh?
He was a kind-hearted guy. He saw a little tree had fallen over. He immediately replanted it.
Hello?
Elsewhere in the village, Tractor was taking a walk and came across a fireworks launcher.
Huh?
Curious, he poked at it, then quickly grabbed a lighter to ignite the fireworks launcher.
Okay.
But after lighting it, he just tossed it away. The launcher flew onto the roof of the pigsty and went off, setting it on fire and causing it to collapse.
Oh no!
The pigsty was engulfed in a sea of flames.
No problem,
After the fire, all that remained was a pile of rubble. Excavator comforted the little pig, then went over to inspect the situation. Upon discovering the cause of the fire, he called the construction team to come clean up and build a new pigsty. The construction team quickly arrived. Excavator briefed everyone on the task, and they all got to work right away.
Hello.
Okay.
The clamshell and dump truck were in charge of clearing away the rubble. After that, Excavator immediately started digging the foundation for the new pigsty.
Okay.
Then, mixer truck poured concrete into the foundation. Finally, the new pigsty was assembled and completed.
賑やかな街並み。ダンプトラックがビールケースを積んで走行する。運転中のダンプトラックが幸せそうに笛を吹く。
What happened?
ダンプトラックが石を蹴り飛ばします。
No way.
愚かなトラックがそれを見て素早く逃げる。トラクターがビールをつかみ一気に飲み干す。すぐにトラクターが完全に酔う。トラクターが道を歩き回る。トラクターが消防車に激突。消防車が近くの家に突っ込んできます。家がすぐに崩れ落ちる。パトカーが厳しい表情で入ってくる。
Did you do it?
トラクター用のアルコール検知器を取り出す。
Blow into this now.
結果が制限を超えている。トラクターが頭を振って泣く。
Hi.
警 警察車が掘削機に設計図を見せる。砂セメントと鋼と型枠がちらりと出る。
Let's go! Let's go!
Okay.
クラムシェルがうなずいて残骸に向かう。ゴミを使いダンプトラックに落とします。彼は負傷した消防車を救出する。そして修理のために彼を連れて行く。
Let's go.
掘削機がうなずいて掘る。デジタルデータを無視する。徐々に基礎彫りが形成されていきます。家の骨組みが形になり始める。ドラムにセメント、砂、水を注ぎます。ミキサートラックがコンクリートを注ぎながら交代する。コンクリートで満たされた型枠の柱。基礎と柱が完成しました。瞬きすると新しい家が現れる。車両がお互いに喜びを分かち合いハイタッチをします。街に平和が戻る。
A bustling morning in the outskirts. A train is moving along the tracks. Clamshell loads the logs into dump truck's container. Suddenly, the ground starts shaking violently. Both vehicles are shocked and scared. Nearby vehicles rush together, shielding their eyes from the dust. A massive boulder blocks the railway tunnel. Nearby vehicles rush together, shielding their eyes from the dust. The train begins to slow down. Screech! The train grinds along the rails. The train stops just in time before the rock. Dump truck and Clamshell rush to inspect the area. Clamshell tries to move the big rock. Pulls, but no luck. Clamshell shakes its head. Dump truck thinks and gets an idea. He makes a quick call. Drill and mixer truck arrive in no time.
Hello.
They all greet each other cheerfully. Dump truck points at the big rock.
Yes.
Drill nods and approaches with its sharp drill. The drill digs deep into the boulder. The rock starts to crack.
Thank you.
Dump truck winks.
Okay.
Drill happily exits the scene. Clamshell and dump truck get to work clearing the leftover rocks. Clamshell picks up small chunks with its grabber. He spins and drops them neatly into dump truck's container. One rock, two rocks, nothing is left behind. Dump truck tilts slightly to check if the load is full.
Wow.
It's full. Dump truck and drives off. Clamshell turns to look at the broken tracks. He carefully lifts each broken beam out, placing them neatly to the side. Then grabs the second one. It's a bit stuck. The rail beam comes out successfully. The third one is quickly removed too. He neatly stacks the old rail beams in one spot. Suddenly, dump truck returns. Dump truck backs up close to the site. On the container are brand new track beams. He grabs each new beam with precision, then gently places it right on the railway. One beam, two beams, almost done. Clamshell gives each beam a twist to lock it in tight.
Good job.
Wonderful. The railway is complete. Clamshell signals the train to move forward. Clamshell jumps up in joy. What a fantastic workday. A bustling city. Airplanes fly across the sky. Spider-Man is supervising. Excavator digs and dumps dirt into dump truck. Spider-Man crosses his arms and looks up. Two planes are flying in opposite directions, getting closer. Boom, the two planes crash into each other. Spider-Man looks up in shock. The vehicles also glance up. Spider-Man drops down, covering his face. The vehicles shut their eyes. Oh no! One plane crashed into a house. The other is burning. Spider-Man covers his face. Excavator and dump truck look at each other in fear. Spider-Man takes out his phone and calls the fire truck. Fire truck answers the call and nods firmly. Fire truck arrives, where crane truck and mixer truck are waiting. Spider-Man, Excavator, and dump truck are ready. The rescue team arrives. Spider-Man points at the fire. Fire truck moves into action. The hose rises. Sand sprays out to put out the flame. The fire dies down. Only burnt rubble remains.
Well done.
Fire truck looks at Spider-Man. He signals okay.
Okay.
Spider-Man calls over crane truck and dump truck. Crane truck hooks plane, lifts it, and places it in dump truck. The trucks leave the scene, waving goodbye.
Yahoo!
Spider-Man
Good job.
pats Excavator.
Let's go, Sam.
They exchange determined nods.
Ew.
Excavator moves in and lowers its bucket. One scoop, two, three, filling up dump truck. Next is the collapsed house. Every piece is cleared.
Good.
Excavator digs the foundation steady and precise. A square hole slowly takes shape.
Great.
Dump truck slowly backs into place, carrying a full load of rebar for the house foundation. Rebar is set in place to form a solid base. Spider-Man signals for mixer truck. Mixer truck arrives, loads cement and sand. The drum spins. All materials are poured into the mixing truck. Mixer truck backs up. Concrete pours out evenly. Everything's ready for the concrete pour. The new house takes shape. Bricks, walls, and roof are built. The brand new house appears. Each part of the house slowly appears. The door, the windows, and then the roof. Everything is coming together beautifully. Spider-Man. The vehicles cheer and dance. The city is calm and bustling once again. The whole city is busy. Excavator and dump truck just finished their work. They crossed the suspension bridge. The bridge gently shakes under their wheel. Excavator looks around absent-minded. He notices a signboard on the roadside. The sign shows an emergency alert. Oh my God! Level 15 and is strengthening to level 16. He brakes hard. His body leans forward. Dump truck swerves and spins sideways. He looks angrily at Excavator.
Oh my God!
The two look at each other.
No!
Strong winds rise, and heavy rain falls. Trees bend and one crashes down. The bridge starts swinging wildly. The bridge cable stretches and snaps.
Let's go. Let's go.
Run! They race off the bridge. Part of the bridge falls into the river. The rain stops and the sun returns. Dump truck and excavator return to the scene. The bridge is destroyed and trees are down. Dump truck looks around, disappointed. Excavator thinks, ... and gets an idea.
Aha!
They smile and stack hands to start working.
Okay.
Dump truck drives off to get help. Excavator starts lifting fallen trees. He uses his bucket to lift each tree up. The trees stand tall again. Excavator moves to the broken bridge. It uses the bucket to remove the anchor posts holding the cables at both ends of the bridge. The area is now clear for rebuilding.
Good job.
Hey, it's me!
Huh?
Dump truck returns with building materials.
Hello?
Mixer truck follows behind. They wave happily.
Hello.
Come on, guys,
Excavator
let's
directs
go!
mixer truck.
Okay.
Mixer truck backs up to start mixing. Excavator pours cement into the mixer. Then sand and river water are added. The mixer truck spins. Dump truck places wooden planks to create a mold for concrete. Excavator uses the bucket to dig on both riverbanks. He smooths the ground to prepare for the concrete foundation. They place the wooden formwork into position.
Come on,
Mixer
step
truck
it up!
backs up to the site. Then it tilts to pour out concrete. The first bridge pillar is complete. One by one, more pillars are built. He nods and
Good
winks in
job.
satisfaction. Materials rise to form a brand new bridge. The new
Good
bridge
job.
sparkles bright. The trucks high-five each other. Excavator runs onto the bridge first. The others follow behind. A peaceful city zooms out into view.